Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing our TRD Skid Plate on our 4Runner. Should be a pretty quick install. If you are looking at buying one of these online, they sell them at Car Trim Home for about 250 bucks. I think shipping may be free. And then also you get them on the BAM wholesale website, and they're about 280 plus taxes for both of those. But the little cheat code is you can always go on Facebook Marketplace like I did, and I got this for 180 bucks. It's never been bumped into or anything. It's just a little bit of road dirt. So it's a quick, cheap upgrade, especially if you can get it on Marketplace. Okay guys, for this we're going to be using a 10 millimeter socket, a 12, a 14, a 6-inch extension. You don't necessarily need it, but if you have long sockets, maybe you don't need them. A screwdriver to remove our little plastic pin. We're just going to use an electric ratchet. You can use a 3/8 ratchet if you want. And then we're going to use a 22 foot-pound torque, so we're going to be using our torque wrench on this. This goes up to 100. We'll just dial it into 22 and get it tight. Also, we'll be using our anti-seize on our bolts to assure that they do not get locked in. Okay guys, we're underneath the truck, so what we're going to do is take off our front splash shield first. Same order as we would if we were doing a oil change. So you're going to use your screwdriver to pull your first plastic plug that's in the middle. Go ahead and pull that out, and then we're going to use our 10 millimeter to remove 5 bolts. I've only got 4. You should have 5. Alright, and you can just pull that out, slide that to the side. So the next thing we're going to need is our 12 millimeter bolts to be removed. And remember, whenever you loosen this 4th bolt, it's going to swing down. It's still going to be hung with these front clips here on the front, but just remember, just kind of ease it down so it doesn't slam on you. And just let it swing, and then you can just ease it off and slide it out of your way. Okay guys, so the new skid plate does not hook up to where the original skid plate went. You actually, off of this bracket right here, you'll remove this back bolt and this front bolt on each side, and then this will slide up into place and then bolt into these holes. You should have a spacer already installed with a washer. If the kit that you buy isn't pre-built, then you just push the bolt through, put your spacer on, and then just push this lock washer down onto the end of it and holds the bolt into place. So we'll go ahead and remove these. These are 14 millimeter. Okay guys, now that we got the bolts out, I went ahead and cleaned the threads on these 2 back bolts, since they've got quite a bit longer bolt than the original one that we pulled out. It is threaded all the way. It's just there can get a bunch of gunk and stuff up in there, so make sure and clean that out so you don't gall up your threads or have to pull it back off and clean them again. So just go ahead and do that ahead of time. So what we're going to do is go ahead and put anti-seize on our bolts, and then get this thing lifted up and start our bolts in the installation. All right, it's always too much. We'll set one aside, and we'll get this thing lifted up into place, and we're going to start with our rear bolt. Okay. All right, that wasn't easy, but you can do it without a lift. We'll start our fronts. All right, got everything started. We're gonna go ahead and tighten up the back. Just get it pressed up against. All right, I'll move to the front. Okay, we've got those in tight. We're going to get our torque wrench and torque it to 22 foot-pounds. I've already got it set. All right, guys, so now it's installed, we'll just go ahead and clean up all these fingerprints. Well, again, thanks for watching. We put our skid plate in. I think it looks really cool. It's dirty now that my handprints are all over it, but I think it's a great addition for your 4Runner, and it was super cheap, 180 bucks off Facebook Marketplace. So get out there and get wheeling. We'll talk to you later. Thanks.